Hello and welcome back! Now, the first thing you want to do before you start drawing your character is to build it from the inside out. So what do I mean by this? When creating a character, it's better to figure out exactly how they would behave and think in certain situations, so you have a good base to draw them in. This takes some time, but once you get everything figured out, it will be much easier to draw your character, I promise you. I always take my time with this step because it will help me have a better visual of my character when I know their personality and what drives them. So let's start by thinking about the character that you want to create. And there's no better way to do this than to ask yourself some questions. To help you with this, I've created a great PDF that you can fill out and help you figure out your own character. Think of this like a character reference sheet that you can look at now and then to make sure you're consistent with your own character. So feel free to download it and fill it with your answers to these questions. So now let's see some of the major things you should ask yourself when creating a new character. Who is your character? What's their name, age, job, race? Are they a good character like a hero or a bad character like a villain or a sneaky thief? Why are they a hero or a villain? Next is, what do they like to do? Or what they don't like to do? What are their goals and dreams, and what are their fears? The next question you want to ask is where? Where is your character, where do they want to be, and where have they been? And finally, when? When is all of this occurring? Write the year, season, or anything of note that helps you with your world building. Let me show you an example. This is Jean Lilo. From her clothing, especially her hat, you can tell that she's a mage. She wears some potions on her belt, so it's pretty clear that she dabbles with potion making as well. Now, she's a young gnome girl, and I tried to translate that through her size, tiny pointy ears, as well as how energetic she looks. I couldn't draw her this way without answering the questions above. You'll want to ask all these questions and anything else that comes to mind. Be as specific as you can. This will help you a lot in the upcoming videos. And as I said before, this part is really fun, so enjoy it. I'll do this as well in my next videos, so let's do this!